Hello my lovelies, I wanted to send you a quick film to say I'm sorry that I haven't been in touch. It's been an exciting time, as you know, with coronavirus and everything going on. I've been quite busy preparing some work to help people with different things like anxiety, and I've got a podcast which I've recorded for the SENDCAST on anxiety, another one on sensory issues and another one on autism and girls. So I have actually been quite busy, and I'm really excited to tell you that I'm doing a live webinar with the delightful Dean Beadle, the amazing Dawn Brown, the wonderful Sally Glossop, and the fantastic Lynn McCann of Reach Out ASC. And we're going to be going live to do that on Thursday. So if you haven't already signed up, and I know that some of you who follow me on other social media will already have done that, I highly recommend you do that. And that's all about how to help autistic children transition into school, or in fact not even back to school. If you decide that you're not sure that they're going to be able to go back, or that you want them to go back to school and you're thinking about home education, how do you do that? That's the session I'm going to be running in that webinar. It's a 2-hour webinar, and it costs a grand total of £6.88, and there will be a replay of the live. Sorry, just making sure I don't get run over by anybody on this completely deserted path. Yeah, how likely is that? Anyway, so I wanted to tell you all about that, and I hope you're keeping well and safe. This is a really difficult period for all of us, but you know what? This too shall pass. Nothing lasts forever, and there will be good stuff that you can take away, that you've learned, ways that you've grown, things that you didn't expect to be better, and we just need to work out how to carry those back in to our new future, because the future will hold good things for you, and I can't wait to see what we can do together. So I look forward to seeing you then. Lots of love to everybody. Take care. Bye.